Well, this is the sound of the wind blowing. It's blowing chunks of everything. Huh? Documenting. Holy crap. Shit's intense. Whoa. You can hear the gust of wind. Gross. Holy crap. Shit. Whoa. Whoa. Oh shit. Okay, wait a minute. Whoa. And this is just a thunderstorm? I don't know, man. Woo. Wow. Like all this mini debris. It's insane. Yeah, this is pretty dangerous. Like if it has some weak tree limbs and stuff, like it can be like them trees over there that's down. You probably can't see it. Oh man. What are you doing out here? Get back in the house.
This sounds like it's in the 490.